Hi everyone, I'm heidiroro and welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, the Kat Von D tattoo liner is my favorite eyeliner and the one thing that's missing from my makeup today. This has been my go-to liner for so long. Basically, nothing compares. Nothing beats out this eyeliner. And I know the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen is a holy grail for a lot of people as well, but it's almost 3 times the price. This is $20 and this is $57. So it's quite pricier, but if it works better, then I'm willing to drop the money. But if not, I'm gonna stick with my tried and true Kat Von D. So I wanted to do a test where I put Kat Von D tattoo liner here and the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen on this eye and see which one is better, which one is the best liner. So if you guys wanna see my dupe test, then let's get started. I wanted to give each eyeliner an equal chance, so I'm using a brand new Kat Von D and a brand new Tom Ford eyeliner. So I'm going to start with the Kat Von D first. So I'm going to apply the Kat Von D on my left side. As always, the Kat Von D never fails me. It was so simple, so easy to create the perfect cat eye. I love it. Let's do a quick swatch for you guys so you can see. It's very pigmented. You really can't go wrong with the Kat Von D. It's $20 and I think the price is right. Now let's move on to the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen. So with the packaging, it feels a lot heavier, which I would hope so. You're paying $57 for an eyeliner. So yes, the packaging itself is very sleek and beautiful. It's heavy and it feels luxurious. And what's different about the Tom Ford eyeliner is that it's dual-ended. There is the brush tip. And there's a calligraphy tip. Color payment wise, I feel like the calligraphy tip and the Kat Von D, which is right here, these two, are the deepest and darkest. I think the Tom Ford brush tip is the most watery, or at least the lightest in color. This is the Kat Von D brush tip, this is the Tom Ford brush tip, and this is the Tom Ford calligraphy tip. Even though this is dual-ended, I want to use the brush tip of the Tom Ford. That way I can give you guys a better dupe test because the Kat Von D is a brush tip as well. We're gonna use the brush tip for the right eye. So that was actually pretty seamless as well. The brush tip is very, very soft. Not saying the Kat Von D brush tip isn't soft, but it was a lot softer, if that makes sense. Pigmentation wise, I feel like it looks the same, to be completely honest. I feel like swatching wise, Kat Von D came out a little bit more pigmented, but on the eyes, they look exactly the same. So would I repurchase the Tom Ford eyeliner pen? Most likely not, just because it is almost 3 times the price of one Kat Von D tattoo liner. Although it does have 2 different brush tips, the Kat Von D tattoo liner has never proven me wrong, and it's been my holy grail for years and years to come. So I'm sorry, Tom Ford. I probably would not repurchase this. It's just too expensive, and you get the same exact wing with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. So the Kat Von D tattoo liner is the winner. It has been the winner. It will always be the winner in my eyes. So I hope you guys liked my dupe test featuring the Kat Von D tattoo liner and the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below on what you like to see next, and subscribe so you join the family. Thanks for watching. Bye!